All right, today we're going to bring some plant stands, and these are made of metal, and pretty much everything is necessary is included with it, including the actual tools and the nuts. If you guys can see it, they're all right here hanging in the system, and the foot, if you guys can see them. So instructions are included. We're going to put them together and see how they look on our planters, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, here's the final product. If you guys can see, it took me about 5 minutes to put together. Now, if you guys can notice, there's a lot of entrance for the water to drip down, if you guys can see. So we're gonna put our plant, and actually we're gonna set it up in our plant, indoor plant that we have. But you could do this for outdoor, indoor. Footings very strong, very secure. It's you can put it outdoor, indoor, because it's nice and it's protected with the coloring that it has, right? Some parts are metal, some parts are plastic, but mostly it's gonna last you. It could carry a lot of weight on it because this part right here, it's actually metal on the ring, all right? So let's put it to use. Here has one of our plants, indoor plants that we have, that we water. We put it by our kitchen because it's beautiful. It gets a lot of sunlight from here. But now, it was on the floor before, now it's up. And we're gonna see if we could get maximum of light coming in now, because this part was blocking it. Now that we raised it, it looks beautiful. This is in our kitchen, of course. We're gonna put it in our kitchen here, but we have a bunch of them outdoors, indoors. But this is great. Elevate, put things underneath of it. Water, you don't have to worry about it because it's gonna go down. It'll go down to the sink too. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.